The other day, I went to Dunamis Church and I was gifted this paper bag with some nice stuff inside. You know what that means? So, and when I look at this paper bag and I realized that the person who did this job did a very nice job. Okay, from how everything looks like, it's so beautiful, it's so sleek, and everything stands out. Now, the main thing is, do you want to create this kind of paper bag, exactly this kind of paper bag? That is the real essence of this tutorial today. And I want to tell you that if you want to create this kind of paper bag, I can show you right here in this video. The only thing you have to do is for you to stick around from the beginning of this video to the end of this video. If you have watched my content before, how to design paper bag, please, this one is a very different tutorial I have done entirely. Like this one is not the same tutorial I have been doing. So stick around and see what difference I'm going to bring to this particular tutorial. Now, if you look at this paper bag, there are so many things this guy did, and it was so beautiful. I will show you how to design this paper bag, and I will show you how to lay the dimensions and the kind of layout you can use for this kind of paper bag. And I will also show you the kind of business you can design this kind of paper bag for. Okay, so I want you to stick around to the end of this video. And the most important thing is that aside from what this guy has done on this paper bag, there is something I would have done that will make this paper bag more beautiful than this. I know you want to do it. So if you want to know the thing I would have done to this paper bag to make it more beautiful than what it is now, so stay with me to the end of this video. The first thing you do, I always teach you step by step because I want you to understand. Now, this is what you do first. This paper bag is in A4 size. This is a small paper bag. This is designed in A4. Okay. This kind of paper bag is good if you want to design for a phone shop, okay, gadget shop. Now, those people that sell phone, this size of paper bag is also good for them. Okay. Now, what kind of size can you use? This is an A4 size paper bag. Now, the first thing you have to do, whatever design tool you are using, like for me, I'm using CorelDRAW right here. So the first thing you have to do, come to your CorelDRAW and choose your size here and choose A4. Okay, already I'm using A4. You use A4. Okay, let me just create a new document. The first thing you do when you want to create this kind of paper bag is for you to come to your CorelDRAW, choose your paper size, choose A4. When you choose A4 and then you draw your rectangle, you can simply double click here to draw the rectangle. Okay, or you just drag it and draw it into the square. And then the next thing you are going to do is for you to right click this, duplicate to the left hand side, and right click, duplicate it to the bottom, then do again, duplicate to the top. Okay, now let me try to demarcate these colors so you see what I'm trying to do. I always like to do that all the time for easy illustrations, so now the middle part here, which is a gray, is this part. Okay, the gray section is this part. Okay, now this side now is the, I can use, okay, let me not use that. This side now is this Okay, and the bottom here is this. Now remember, this is A4 size, so the dimension will change from what I have been doing already. So I want to show you the dimensions you can use for each of these. Okay, and this and this. So okay, so just stick around. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel so that you see more of this kind of tutorials. Now look at this. This one, you can use this 2 inches. You can use this 2 inches as well. It is not bad if you use the same measurement. This one here, you can use 0.5 inch. You can use 0.5 inch, or you can use 1 inch. Okay, you can use 1 inch, is not bad for this one. Now, that is not all. How do you intend to print this paperback? Remember, this is an A4 size paperback. How do you intend to print it? Now, the next thing you do, this is just a skeleton of the entire paperback. So all you need to do now is for you to start designing your stuff inside here. You design the side here, design the middle here, and then design the bottom here if need be. Okay, now after you might have done your design, remember you are going to do your design here. I'm just doing a skeletal drawing so that you see what I'm trying to do here. Okay, now you are going to bring your design into this layout. When you are done designing, assuming you are done designing all this stuff, okay, this is just a layout that I'm giving you. Assuming you are done designing this, you are going to bring this into A3. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do right now is for you to click new document, and then you are going to choose A3 landscape. It is here on A3 already, and then you can change this to inches so that it will correspond with what you did before, and then click OK, and then you have your landscape. So from there you can copy this, go to your A3, place it, and make sure you group everything together, tilt it to the left or to the right, and then duplicate it to the left. Now, the front and the back is going to be printed at the same time on the same sheets. Okay, I have not done this before. That's why I told you that you should stick around. You see the difference in this particular tutorial. Okay, the front, like this side and this side, will be on the same sheets. Okay, if you want to know the how to design you want to know how to design paperback from scratch with the right dimensions, with the right colors and the rest of those things, I will leave the link to that video in the description of this video so you can check that later. But the purpose of this video is for me to show you how to get the size of this paperback. Okay, so I've shown you that you design it on A4 first, A4 portrait, and use the side 2 inches, use the bottom 2 inches, and use the top 0.5 inches, and or you can use 1 inch to avoid complications, because that top is where you are going to stick these handles. Okay, the top must be lengthy such that the handles can stick to this and stick to this at the same time. You see what I'm trying to show you? It must have some some remaining inside here so that when you fold it inside, it's going to accommodate this handle from here. You understand what I'm trying to say? So now, that is not all. I told you I would show you, if I were the one to design this paperback, I'll do something differently from here. Okay, I'll do something differently from here. And what is that? This handle now, if you check the entire color of this paperback, is blue. Blue is dominant color in this paperback. Now, if I were the one to finish this paperback, the entire finishing is nice. But if I were the one to handle this paper bag, I will not use this blue handle again. You know why? I will not use this blue handle again. Guess the color I will use. I will use this wine color. Let me bring it closer, you see. I'll use this wine color for this handle. That will make everything stand out. It will make the entire thing to pop. You know what I mean? If you bring blue here to the handle and then this side is blue, the whole stuff is too bluish. Do we have such English? So I will just bring a little something that will make it sparkling and make it a nice combination. So I'll bring this wine color. The color of my handle will be wine color. In fact, imagine it in your head if I were to use wine color here, or if the guy were to use wine color here. You see that it will be more beautiful than his blue color. Okay? Right. So I want you to take note of this particular tutorial, and then if you have any question about how to design quality paper bag with quality photos, I would love you to check these tutorials. I have a lot of tutorials here. You can check any of these tutorials. I've done a lot of tutorials when it comes to paper bag design and a whole lot of stuff. So you can check my channel. Just type on your YouTube Akpanowana. You will see me. I will come out. This is Akpanowana here. Type that on your YouTube channel and all my videos will come out. Check all my paper bag tutorial designs. Design tutorials, whatever. So you have good knowledge of what I'm trying to talk about here. And then you can as well check in each of these my paper bag tutorials. I have some templates that I put in my descriptions so that you can download those templates and use. That is the advantage you have watching my videos. Okay, so you can download this stuff and use. So check the description of this video and check out for all those tutorials if you want to know how to design premium quality paper bag design. But as for this tutorial, I think you have gotten value from this tutorial already, and I want you to smash the like button, and if you have any question, drop it in a comment. Okay, drop it in a comment, and if I have ever reply to your comments before, give me a heart. Just give me a heart in the comment section. And if you have any question, drop in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, okay, so that next time I have a lot of tutorials like this that I want to show you. So like this video if you love what you are seeing. And in my next tutorial, I'm going to do something more beautiful than this. So if you want to see my next tutorial, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in this video. If you want to see how to design a paper bag with Canva, if you want to see how to design a paper bag with CorelDRAW. Thank you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.